I have shared a Word document with you. Ishika, can you hear me properly? Am I clearly audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I have shared one Word document with you. Okay, where there is this CAT 2023 sum was there, so that you can read it and you can prepare your mind for the sum. So did you get a chance to go through that sum? Did you read this sum? Anybody? Nobody read.
No, sir.
Okay. No, see, at least the LR sums. Okay, at least the LR sums, please go through them. I will send it to you beforehand. Okay, so that you can read it and you can prepare your mind. Because if I start doing it directly, you will not be able to completely grasp the thing. Like why I am doing what. Okay, that is the reason why I send it. So that you can try it out yourself maybe. Okay, then you do wrong. You at least move certain distance ahead, and then when I do it, you will understand completely. So now if I just do the sum and if I do it, you will not understand it correctly, like why I am taking a particular approach. Okay. Okay, so 5 restaurants coded R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5. So there are 5 restaurants, and how are the restaurants coded? R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5. Okay, gave integer ratings. Integer ratings means 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, to 5 gig workers. Okay, Ullas, Vasu, Vaman, Xavier and Yusu, on a scale of 1 to 5. Okay, Ullas, Vasu, Xavier, Vaman, Xavier and Yusu, on a scale of 1 to 5. All right. The means of the ratings given by R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5 were 3 per. So what is the mean? Mean is the arithmetic mean, the average. Okay, mean is the average. So the means of the ratings given by R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5 were 3.4, 2.2, 3.8, 2.8 and 3.4 respectively. Okay, the summary statistics of these ratings for the 5 workers is given below. This particular table is very important. So till now, have you understood? There are 5 restaurants who have given integer ratings to 5 workers. Okay, in a scale of 1 to 5, and the means of the ratings given by these restaurants, try to understand this, the means of the ratings given by the restaurants, okay, is 3.4, 2.2, 3.8, 2.8 and 3.4 respectively. That means what does it mean? That means R1, whatever ratings R1 has given to the 5 workers, whatever rating R1 has given to the 5 workers, the mean of those ratings is 3.4. All right, whatever ratings R2 has given to the 5 workers, the mean rating is 2.2. Whatever ratings R3 has given to the 5 workers, the mean rating is 3.8. Now the summary statistics of these ratings for the 5 workers is given. Mean rating for Ullas. So now see, Ullas has got rating from 5 restaurants, like R1, R2, R3 and R5. So what is the mean of those ratings? That Ullas has got 2.2. What is the median? Do you know median? You know mean. Mean is arithmetic mean. It is a summation of all the observations divided by the number of observations. But what is mean? I'm sorry, what is median? Does anybody know what is a median?
So the middle value of the.
Median is always the bisection values of a set of observation which is arranged in ascending order. Okay. So say for example 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. What is the median? What is the middle value? This is the middle value. So this is the median. Okay. What is mode? What is
So
mode?
the highest value.
Yes, highest value, no. The value with the highest frequency. Okay. So say for example 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. What is the mode?
So one.
Nah, 3.
One of three, three, five, three, three, three.
Okay. 3. That is the mode. Understood everybody? Ishika, Shrutama?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now see, there is another so for each of the workers, Ullas, Vasu, Vaman, Xavier and Yusuf, their mean rating, median rating and modal ratings are given, right? What is their mean, what is the median, what is the mode, all these things are given. Now the range of ration is given. What actually should be the range of rating? Okay, it is written range of ration, I don't know why. Okay. So range of ratings is given. What is the range of ratings? Range of ratings means the difference between the maximum and minimum ratings average to a workers. So say for example, the range of rating of Ullas is 3. The range of rating of Ullas is 3. What does it mean? That means that if its lower rating value is 1, the higher rating value is 4. Okay, range of ratings is defined as the difference between the maximum and minimum ratings average to a worker. That means if the minimum rating value is 1, the high rating value is 4. That is the meaning of range of rating. So whatever is the minimum value, add 3 to it, or whatever is the maximum value, subtract 3 from it. So we have this. So first of all, we have to make a table with all these uh, observations, all this information, and also this information that is given. Okay. the following the following is partial information about ratings 1 to 5 awarded by the restaurants to the workers. Now R1 has given certain ratings to some people, R2 has given certain ratings to some people, R3 has given certain ratings to some people, and so on. So now we have to arrange this information into a tabular form. So you remember we have done tabular form earlier as well. Okay, we have done that, but some you remember that CS and ML. Okay, the CS students has to take AI and ML, non-CS student has to take only one of them, right? So we did the sum, and also there were many other sums which we did in tabular form. Okay, like there was one sum you remember, AC split, this inverter AC split AC, all these things were there, that also we did by tabular form. This is another sum which came in the form of in the tabular form. So you can understand that in CAT the tabular forms are very important now. Did you see the chat with Arun Sharma sir? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So I actually sent him connection request over LinkedIn. Okay, and luckily he happened to accept it. That is my luck. And also I asked for his blessings, and he did that. So I am hoping that we are going to have a great result this year. So we are arranging this in the form of table. Okay, don't uh, copy this sum now. First of all, understand. So this is Ullas U V W X Y. I'll take another one. I'll take this one as summation. Summation of the scores. Here I'm going to put R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, and summation. So there will be two sums. One is the sum of the scores given by R1, that will be over here. Another one, the sum of the scores obtained by U, that will be over here. So from this table you can understand that we have to choose, we have to put the values in these boxes in such a way such that the sums that we get over here and here matches, right? So now what we have to do, we have to first of all obtain the sum of their scores, which is very, very important. So sum of the scores. Okay, so first of all we will choose workers. U. What is the sum of the scores? Now let us go back to the sum. It is given that Ullas's mean is 2.2, right? Ullas's mean rating is 2.2. So what will be the sum? Who can tell? If the mean of Ullas's rating is 2.2 and Ullas has got 5 ratings, remember, from 5 restaurants he has got 5 ratings and the mean is 2.2. So what is going to be the sum?
11.
11.
So
Others
11.
understood? 11. 2.2 into 5. Others understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, Vasu. What is going to be the sum? Tell me. The average is 3.8.
3.8 into 5.
So what will be the value?
16.
16. Sure. তুমি বলতে পারলে নীলাদ্রি? 16.
19 হবে।
3.4. Tell me the summation. Try to do this sum mentally. 5 4 is 20, 2 5 is 17. Okay. Xavier.
18 হবে।
18. Yusuf. Yusuf কত হবে? Yusuf is 2.6.
13.
13, right? So what we have 11, we have 19, we have 17, we have 18, we have 13. Okay, now we will do restaurants. R1. What is the mean of R1? 3.4. So tell me. 3.4. What is going to be the mean? Now R1 has given 5 ratings. So what is going to be the mean of R1?
17.
17. R2 2.2. So that's going to be 11. R3. Tell me R3. 3.8. 19. R4 2.8. Tell me 2.8.
14.
কত?
14.
14.
14.
R5 3.4. R5
17.
17.
okay. So R1 is 17, 11, 19, 14 and 17, right? Now Ullas, let us obtain some data. So we have more data over here, this partial information. From there we have some direct scores. R1 awarded a rating of 5 to woman. Fine. R1 5 to woman. Fine. Acha. As did R2 to Xavier. That means R2 awarded 5 to Xavier. R2 5. R3, acha. R3 5 to woman. Okay. R5 5 to Vasu. Okay. R1 awarded 1 to Ullas. R2 to woman. I mean 5 to woman. R2 awarded 5, sorry, 1 to woman. R2 RW 1. And Yusuf as well, R2W. R3 Yusuf. Okay, this is what we have. So we have quite a good amount of information. Now we have to extract the rest. Okay, so Ullas has mean of 2.2, median of 2, modal of 2. What does that mean? And range of ration is 3. So you can see that Ullas has got the lowest score as 1. Yes or no? You see in the column of Ullas we already have 1, right? So lowest score is 1. What is going to be the highest score that he has got? Can you tell me? You see the range of ration is 3. Rating is 3. What is the highest score that Ullas has got? Tell me. What is the highest score that he has got? If his lowest score is 1, what is the highest score? His range of rating is 3. You're not getting it?
No, sir.
Yeah. Range of rating is what? It is the difference between the maximum and a minimum rating awarded to a worker. So the lowest rating that Ullas has got is 1, and the range of rating that he has got is 3. That means the difference between the maximum and minimum rating is 3. So if his lowest score is 1, because 1 is the smallest score that a person can get, the range of score is 1 to 5. So he has already got 1, and the range of rating is 3. So what is going to be the highest? 1 plus 3, that is 4.
4.
Right? 1 plus 3,
Yes,
that is
sir.
4. Now see, what is the median? Median is 2. Median is 2. So what does that mean? Let me assume, let me arrange the scores of Ullas in ascending order. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dashes are there, right? And the summation of this has to be what? 11. Summation of this has to be 11, right? So what are the different values I can take? Lowest is 1, highest is 4. That I know. Now, what is the median? Median is 2. As I told you, median is always the bisecting value. That means median is the middle value. Right? Now you see, what is the mode? The mode is 2. What is the meaning of mode? Mode means that particular value which occurs the maximum number of time. Mode is that particular value which occurs the maximum number of time. That means the frequency is highest. So that is only possible when 2's are over here. Right?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Now you might ask that why not 3? I mean, let me put 2 over here 2 times. Let me put 3 over here. You have to add it and see whether you get 11 or not. You see 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11. If you put 3 in this place, you will get 12, which will not satisfy the sum value, right? Understood? Okay, so we have got the possible scores of Ullas 1, 2, 2, 4, right? Now we don't know where these scores will come up. In this place, where these scores will come up, we don't know that. So that is the quest. That is our quest. Okay. Now next is Vyas. What is the lowest value that he has got? I don't know, but I know the highest value that he has got. Highest value is 5. What is the lowest value? I'll go back and see what is the range of his rating. 3. So what is the lowest value? Tell me.
2.
2. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the summation? 19. 2, 5. Right? What is the median? 4. 4 in the middle. What is the mode? Mode is 4. That means 4 is occurring more than one time. Now, if I put 4 over here, 4 is occurring more than one time. That is the reason why mode is 4. But the question is whether 4 is occurring 2 times or 3 times. How will I understand that? I'll add them. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15. That means the other one has to be 4. Then only on adding this I'll get 19. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Ishika, Shrutama, Ritama,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ritama. I have almost forgotten how the faces of Ritama and Ishika. I forgot how they looked. I think if they pass by, I will not be able to recognize.
স্যার এরম বলছেন?
ইশিকাকে তো ভুলে গেছি। ইশিকা সামনে এসে আমি চিনতে পারবো না কি এটা, কি বুঝতেই পারবো না। ইশিকার চেহারাটাই ভুলে
না,
গেছি।
আচ্ছা আমি বলি।
Okay, now W. So for W, we can easily see that its lowest score is 1 and highest score is 5. So lowest is 1. I don't need to write down again. So I just need to find out what are the possible scores. Okay, and the summation is 17. Okay, let me arrange it. 1, 5, 5. Right? What is the median? Median is 4. Median is 4. What is going to be the score? 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 4 14, 15, 2. Right? We have got all the possible values. See how the first sum is taking form. It's a 2023 sum. Okay, not that difficult. Now we'll come to X. But yes, of course, time consuming. See, this type of things you will have to do in exam. You cannot help it. What is going to be the sum? Sum of W 17. No, sorry. Sum of X 18. 18. Let me go to the table. I can see that X has got 5, which is the highest value. Right? Therefore, I need to know the range. What is the range? 4. So that means what is going to be the lowest value?
What?
Tell me. 1.
হুম।
What is going to be the median? 4. Fine. What is the mode? The mode is 5. That means 5 is at least going to occur 2 times. If I put 5 over here, I can add it and find out this reading. So 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 1 15, 3. Right? Tell me the scores of Y. You tell me yourself. What should be the steps? What should be the first thing that I should write down? Tell me the scores of
Summation.
Y. Summation. What is the summation of Y? 13.
13.
Next. Go back to the table. What is the lowest score?
1.
1. What is the range? 3. What is the
3,
high score?
3.
No.
2.
4,
4, 4, 4.
4.
4, right? Because the range is 3.
Sorry.
If the lowest one is 1, then the highest one is 4. What is the median? 3. What is the mode? 1 comma 4. That means both of them are modes. That means 4 is occurring 2 times, 1 is occurring 2 times. Right? If you add them, you will definitely get 13. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 2 11 to 13. Yes. So we have got all the scores. of all the possible scores of these people. Now our target is to put it in the correct places. That is our challenge. So I mean, we don't have any more further information also. Okay, that is all we have. So now we have to put down the values. Okay, so now what to do? Let us first of all pick up those rows and those columns which have the maximum number of known data, so that finding out the unknown data becomes easy. Let us first of all select those rows and those columns and try to find out the data, so that finding out the unknown data becomes easy. Let us first of all pick up this one, because you see we have 151, 2, 3 unknown values we have over here, right? So it will be easy for us to find out these two. So what we will do, we will take R2, right? Now see, UR2. What is UR2? UR2, I am denoting UR2, I am denoting this particular place as UR2, right? That means row number U and column number R2. So UR2 plus VR2, right? UR2 plus VR2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 is equals to, what is our sum? 11, right? Or UR2 plus VR2 is equals to 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 4. That means the sum of these two data has to be 4. Okay, so what should I select? So I don't know what scores R2 has given, right? I don't know what scores. Like for Ullas we have found out the possible scores, for Vyas we have found out the possible scores, but we actually don't know that R2 has given what type of scores. We don't have an option to know that, but we know that Ullas got this scores and Vyas got this scores. So from these two series I have to choose two scores such that their addition gives me what? 4, right? So see, if I choose 1, if I choose 1, what should be this one? 3, right? If I choose UR2 as 1, VR2 should be 3. That means U should have got a 1. Has U got a 1? Yes, it has. U has 1. But V should get a 3. But is there any 3 in V scores? Does V
No.
has any 3 in its score list? No, right?
No, sir.
sir.
Are you getting it, Shritama?
স্যার শ্রীতমা ক্লাসেই নেই।
ও Shritama actually ওই গাড়ি করে যাচ্ছে তো নেটটা কানেক্ট না হতে পারে। ও কলেজ থেকে বেরিয়েছে 8টার সময়। Okay, Ishika, did you understand why we cannot choose R3 over here? Because 3 is not in the
Yes,
score
sir.
list of B. So this is our wrong choice. Okay, let me choose 2.
Yes, sir.
If I choose 2, then the next one I have to choose 2. So that means both should get a 2. Is there a play 2? Yes, there are two 2s. Now see, for Ullas, if I choose 4, I have to choose 0 for Vyas. But is 0 getting 0 possible? Not possible, right? So 2 comma 2 are the right ones. So I'll put 2 over here, I'll put 2 over here. Did you understand this?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me now which column should I take? Let me take this column, W column. I don't have any other rows, right? Yes. Let me take W column then. In W column, I can say R4 WR4 WR4 plus WR5 plus, okay, WR4 plus WR5 plus 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11 is equals to 17 equals to 6. This is what we have. Okay, so I need to find out this and this. What should be the two values so that I get 17? That means now see, these two values are what R4 has given to W, and this one is what R5 has given to W. That means both of these scores I need to find from where? From W score list only. So W score list I have 1, 2, 4, 5, 5, all these things. Now see, if I take 1, right, this one has to be 5. If I take this one 5, this one has to be 1, right? There is no other option. Or 2 and 4 also. If I take this one as 2, this one has to be 4. If I take this one as 4, this one has to be 2. But what is the right one? I don't know. Right? What should be the right data? I don't know. What should be the right sequence? I don't know. It can be 1 comma 5, it can be 5 comma 1, it can be 2 comma 4, it can be 4 comma 2. But what should be the order? I don't know. Okay. All of them will satisfy getting 6 only, but I don't know. So this cannot be our correct information. So let me do one thing. Let me choose R3 then. R3. UR3 VR3 plus 5 XR3 plus 1 equals to 19. So UR3 plus VR3 plus XR3 13. Right, this is what we have. Okay. Hmm. Hold on. Okay. One more thing that we need to do is that whatever scores are known, let us cross them out. Otherwise, we will be taking duplicate values. For example, for u, 1 has been placed, so I will cut it out. For u, 2 has been placed, I will cut it out. For w, 5 has been placed, so what I will do, I will cut it out. Okay. For w, 1 and 5 has been placed, so 1, 5 has been placed, right? Okay. For x, for v, for w1 and 2 has been placed, for v2 and 5 has been placed, so 2, 5. For w5 and 5 has been placed, for x 5 has been placed. For y 1 and 1 has been placed. Okay, that will help us in choosing the values much more effectively. So if I come to this one now, wr4 plus wr5 is 6. So what are the options that are available? 2 and 4 only. Okay, so that means I cannot take these two. Okay, so what can be the values? The values can be this only. The values can be 2 or 4 or 4 comma 2, but in what order I don't know. So for w we will place it as 2 by 4, I mean 2 or 4, and this one also 2 or 4. Did you understand this part? Did you understand this part? That why 2 and 4 and 4 and 2 has been selected, because 1,
Yes.
5 and 5 from w has already been placed. The 2 and 4 is the only option, but in which order that should be, that I don't know. It can be 2 4 over here also, it can be 2 4 over here also. That is a 2 by 4 2 by 4. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now see, let me choose these things. The addition of these three should be 13. So in u, what do I have? In u, I have only 2, 2 and 4 left. So if I choose 2 over here, and for v, what are the things that are left? 4, 3 4s are left. If I choose 4 over here, then 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. Then what should be over here? 7. But is 7 possible? No, right? So we cannot choose this option. For u, let us choose 4. For v, we have only 4 left, so 4 plus 4 is 8, and this one should be what? 5. For x, yes, we have 5. You see, this is the only possible combination for 13 in this case. Did you understand why? This is the only possible combination. See, first of all, what I tried to take 2 for u. See, for u, what are the things that are left? 2 2 and 4 is only left, right? So I took 2 for u. For v, What are the options that are left? Only 4 are left. So I took 4 for V. If I take 4 for V, 4 plus 2 is 6. So this one should be 7, but 7 is not possible. So I am taking, so this particular option is not possible. So let me take the next option. For U I can choose 4. I choose 4. For V I have only 4s left. 4. Okay, so I choose 4. For X, what I take only 5. I took 5. So 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. This is the only option available. Is there any other option that I can take? Because in U I had only 2 and 4. So 2 didn't work out, 4 worked out. Is there any other option that I can take? No, right? So 4, 4, 5. That means UR3 is 4. VR3 is 4. And XR3 is 5. Right? Add it and see whether you're getting 19 or not. 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18, 18 plus 1 is 19. Did you understand this part? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Ishikaritoma.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let me cut out the values. So UR3 I have chosen this 4. VR3 I have chosen this 4. And XR3 I have chosen 5. Okay. So we have a complete set of 2 values. Awesome. Okay. Now let us choose R1. For R1. R1 VR1 plus XR1 plus YR1 equals to 17. Right? It equals to 17. Now let us choose the different values. So V. So what are the scores left for V? Only 4 is there. Let me choose 4. X. What are the things that are left? 1, 3, 5. Let me choose 4. For YR1, what are the scores left? 3, 4, 4. Let me choose 4. 4 3s are 12. Not possible. Okay. Okay. Not possible. Let me choose some other values. So for V, we have only one value, 4. 4 only is left. For X, we have 4 only. 4 plus 4 is 8. I need to choose 9, but that is not possible. Why will that be possible? Not possible. Let me choose for V. We are not getting. What should be the values? For V, we have 4. For X, we have 4. 4. Oh, sorry. I forgot
স্যার
to add
আমরা এই
6.
মাঝখানে গুলো নিলাম না
Yes,
কেন?
yes, yes.
হ্যাঁ,
No,
ওই
no, no.
সিক্সটা নিলাম না।
হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে, হ্যাঁ, ঠিকই বলেছো। আমি তাই ভাবছি কি হলো ব্যাপারটা, ঘাবড়ে গেছি। আমার এখানে হেভি হাওয়া দিচ্ছে, পুরো দীঘার মতো। 11, yeah, now this will be fine. Okay, so VR1 plus XR1 equals to 11. So let's see. What I can choose for V? I can choose 4. That is the only option available. For X, what I can choose? I can choose 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 4. Let me choose 1. Y over 1, what I can choose? 3. 4 plus 5, 5 plus 8. No, not correct. For X, V, I can choose 4 only because that is the only thing that is left. 4 fours are left, so I have to choose 4. Okay, for X, what I can choose? Let me choose 3 this time. Okay, for Y, what I can choose? Let me choose 4 this time. 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 3 11. Yes, that is possible. So this is one of the correct things. Okay, let me choose otherwise something else. I can choose 4 over here. Okay, for X, I can choose 4 over here, and for Y, I can choose 4 over here. That is also possible, right? So 4 3 4 4 4 3, anything is possible. So I will write down all the possible things. But remember that 4 in place of V is necessary. VR1 has to be 4. That is necessary. That way that I cannot change. You can see that 4 is necessary, but these two can change. So that means let me put VR1 4 4 VR1 4. Okay. But what about the rest one? 3 4 4 3 XR1 XR1 4 slash 3. Okay, and YR1 4 slash 3, right? Let us choose U. Okay, fine. I can easily find out this value. I can easily find out this value. See, 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. This will be 4. Yes or no? See how the values are coming. When values comes, I really feel very, very good. Okay, we all feel good when value starts coming up. That is the greatest satisfaction that you can get. Okay, let us target to find these two now. R4U, UR4 plus UR5. Okay, now add 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, 11 minus 7 is 4. Okay, UR4 plus UR5 is 4. Very simple. Let me go to U. I have only two options available, 2 comma 2. Can you see this? So this is the only possible options. 2 comma 2 is equals to 4. So I'll just go put 2 2 over here. Let me see what about the summation. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 2 is yes, correct. Awesome. So we are left with only these 4 values, right?
Yes, sir.
So let us find them. Okay, so what are the values we know from here? 5 comma 5. So use all the values are known. For V everything is known. For W only 2 comma 4 is not known. For X x এর 1 or for y. Okay, yeah, these things are the unknown values, we have to use them only. So what are the values that are known? This for which one? X. Yeah, is for x. So for x, x r2 and x r3 are 5 and 5. So this is x r2 and x r3, 5 and 5. So x r1 plus 5 right. Oh, sorry. So we have to find out three values that will give me 8, right? And all of them should be taken from x only, which is very simple. So if I go to x, 3 4 4, oh sorry, 1 3 4, 3 plus 4, yes, very simple. So if I take 1 3 4, that will be done, but in which order, that is the question. In which order, that is the question, right? So here 4/3 is the only option available. I mean, in this place 4/3 should be there, either 4 or 3. So if we have either 4 or 3, then we have 1/3/4 over here, or we have 1/3/4 over here. Yes or no? Here 4 or 3 can be there. If 4 comes over here, then here it should be uh, I mean 1 or 3 or 4, like this. Let us take for y. This is a critical decision that we have to make over here. Y r1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus, okay, y r4 plus y r5 equals to 13. So y r1 plus y r4 plus y r5 is equals to 11. This is what we have. So from y we have to choose two values such that we get the addition is 11. Three values. So what are those values can be? We have 3 4 4. So if you see 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 4 11. These are the only values available. 3 4 4, right? How do I place it? 4 by 3. Here it will be either 4 by 3. Here also either 4 by 3. Here also either 4 by 3. Okay. Difficult decision to make. Okay. Now let us see what is the mode of W. Why we are talking about W? Because in W we have confusion 2/4 2/4. Let us see the mode of W. What is the mode of W? The mode of W is 5. That is 5 is occurring two times. Okay. What is the median of W? Median of W is 4. That means 4 is the middle point. Fine. Let us choose R4. So here is one decision that we are stuck. 2 plus 4 plus R4W. Okay. Plus R4X. plus r4y is equals to 14. Okay, r4w plus r4x plus r4y nah, is what we have, right? Okay, so what can be the values if I use 2 over here, if I use 1 over here, if I use 4 over here? Is it matching? 4 plus 1 5? No. If I use 2 over here, if I use 3 over here, if I use 4 over here, is it matching? 4 plus 7 plus 2 9? No. If I use 2 over here, if I use 4 over here, I have to use 6 over here. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 2. Is that possible? No, because 2 is not there only. 2 is not over here only. I cannot use. If I use 4 over here, if I use 1 over here, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 3. Is it possible? Yes, this is possible. This one is possible. 4, 1, 3 possible. If I use 4 over here and if I use 4 over here, I have to use 0 over here. Is this possible? Not possible. Right? Did you understand? So I have to take 4 from here. If I take 4 from here, 1 is the smallest value that I can take for this particular place, and 3 is only left. You will say that why 1, why not 3? Fine, you take 3. 4 plus 3, you take 7. You need 1 for over here. 1 for YR4, this one, from this place. Yeah, for this place you need 1, but do you have 1? You don't have 1. So you have to take 4 only. And this one has to be 1, and then this one has to be 3. Did you understand this decision making or no?
Yes, sir.
Ishika, do you understand?
Yes,
Ishika,
sir.
Niladri, বুঝতে
Yes, sir.
পেরেছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, so we have the value. So r4 w is 4, r4 w is 4. So I'll just remove it. Okay, and then we have 1, and then this is 1, right? So we know this data now, what is going to be. So I can easily find out this one. Oh, এখানেও একটা খাঁচা হয়ে বসে আছে. Okay, fine. So I can find out this one now. 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15, 15 plus 2, this has to be 2.
স্যার আমার
হ্যাঁ,
না না স্যার কিছু না
কি ব্রাহ্মণ না কি একটা বললে?
স্যার না ব্রাহ্মণ বলিনি আমার বললাম
তোমার কি?
আমার মনে হয় এক্স আর ওয়ানটা 4 হওয়া উচিত
ওকে ওকে, ঠিক আছে, সেটা ডিসিশন মেকিংটা আমরা করবো এখন. সব কিছুই পেলাম, এটাই ঝামেলা হয়ে
ও
গেছে.
না স্যার ওটা 3 হবে এক্স আর ওয়ান যাই হোক, ঠিক আছে করুন করুন
হুম, কারণ 17 তো, এটা 4 3 3 4 কিছু একটা হতে পারে. হুম, আহ,
স্যার এখানে তো আমরা তোমার এই যে ওয়াই এরটাতে তো অলরেডি একটা 3 ইউজ করে ফেলেছি আর
হ্যাঁ
তো
হ্যাঁ
বাকি
হ্যাঁ
দুটো 4ই ছিল নিচে
হ্যাঁ, তাহলে আমাদের কি কি ভ্যালু
যতদূর
কেটে
আমার
গেল?
মনে হচ্ছে
আমাদের ভি এর 5টাই ভ্যালু কেটে গেছে, আমাদের ডাব্লুর সবকটা 5টাই ভ্যালু আমি পেয়ে গেছি. সো ডাব্লুর অল ভ্যালু কেটে গেল.
ওয়াই এর দেখুন 3 একটা ছিল আর 4 দুটো ছিল
পেয়ে গেলাম
তার মানে বাকি দুটো 4ই হবে
4/3 4/3, তাহলে ওয়াই এর, রাইট, ওয়াই এর 3 আমি পেয়ে গেছি, তাহলে বাকি দুটো 4 হবে, অ্যাবসলিউটলি কারেক্ট. because for y we have just two things there, 4 and 4, and they will be placed in the these two places. Okay, fine. And if this is 4, then this will be 3, this will be 3, and if, and therefore I can know this one also. That's it, finish. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 4 13. This is going to be 4. All values are known, right? Now it's very simple for us to solve the sums, solve the questions. Let us solve the question, which is very easy now. How many individual ratings cannot be determined from the above information? 0. All of them can be determined, right? To how many workers did
Yes,
R2
sir.
give a rating of 4? R2 give a rating of 4, 0. Okay. What rating did R1 give to Xavier? R1 give to Xavier 3. Right? What is the median of the ratings given by R3 to the 5 workers? R3. R3 is this median. কত হবে? 1 4 4 5 5 4. Right? Which among the following restaurants gave its median rating to exactly 2 workers? So, what are the options given? Okay. There were the options. Options গুলো আমি screenshot করে দিচ্ছি। Okay, so the out of the options, okay, the answer was R4. Why? Because in R4, what is the median? 1 2 3 4 4. So the median is 4, right? And this median rating is given to 2 workers. So R4 is the answer. Did you understand this sum? Everybody, did you understand?
Yes, sir.